Welcome all. So today I'm going to present Android application which was created for Exposys Data Labs. So I have created this application using Android Studio where I use Java for backend, XML for front end, and also Google Firebase to create the database. So let's get started. These are the two modules, user module as well as the admin module. So let's get started with the user module first. So initially the user needs to register first. So I have already created my account, so I'll just log in now. Once the user logs in, these are the sections which he can operate. So there are exam section, notice sections, and other various sections. So let's get started for by applying for the internship first. So here we need to enter the subject or course name where we need to do the internship, and also we need to enter our name as well as the phone number. So if we give any fake data, it will not accept it and it will tell us to enter the valid mobile number. So let's do it. And so after filling up the form, so this message will pop up. Thank you for applying, and a part of our team will get back to you very soon. So let's go and see the other sections. So this is the feedback section where we need to enter the feedbacks. Feedback for the subject for feedback is uh, teaching. Teaching is very good. This data can be anything. I am entering any. The data doesn't matter here. You can add anything what you want. So I'll give the ratings here and I'll post my feedback. So the feedback recorded successfully. Okay, so now let's check the project idea. So in this section you should give your name first and you should give a general idea of your project. So agricultural project, you can give it anything. The data doesn't matter. uh, where we can grow anything. You can post anything. I have just given any data. So now I need to enter my phone number again and I need to post it. So after posting it, it will be like, thank you for applying. A part of our team will be get back to you very soon. So now let's check the uh, about Exposys. So this is about Exposys, the owner name, the logo, and I have given in the end, I have given some links like Exposys Data Labs website. So when you click on it, you go directly to the Exposys website. Also, when I have given the YouTube link here. By clicking on it, you can go to the YouTube channel, Exposys YouTube channel. Then, oops, okay. Now then, I have given my profile here. It is developer profile. So after clicking on it, you can directly see my LinkedIn profile. It will directly take you to my LinkedIn profile. So okay, as of now, these all things are working here. So now let's go to the admin section. You need to log out. So if you press the back button, it will not work. So you need compulsory you need to log out. And now let's check the admin section. So this is the admin section where you need to so the email ID and password will be provided to the admin, unique password and email. So after logging in, these are the sections which admin can handle. So coming to the internship section, you can see who has applied, and uh, all the details of the internships will be visible here in this manner. So you can also see the feedback section. So this was the section which I have added just now. So this can be anything. The data doesn't matter. It can be anything. So this is a project fund section. And coming to the exam section, so here the admin can add the subject like uh, web development exam, and you can also tell few words about that exam like 50 questions for 50 marks. Again, the data doesn't matter here. It can be anything. And also we need to give the this section is very important. So we need to give the correct link. So we need to paste a link here. So as of now I am giving just Google form links. So after giving a link, the admin should add the exam. So like here, the exam added successfully. So the message will pop up. So now let's see the notice section. Similar in the notice section, we need to add the subject, notice to the notice to employees. So again, the data doesn't matter. You can add whatever you want here. Seminar all. Okay, so I'll be posting this notice. So once I post the notice added successfully. So all these data will be stored in the Firebase database. So now let's go back again to the uh, user section, and let's see whatever the exams that user has, sorry, the admin has added. Is it visible for us? Okay, so the exam section. In the exam section, so as we can see here, so the name of the exam is getting displayed. So about the subject description is getting, exam description is getting displayed, and as well as the uh, link. So by clicking on this link, we can take the exam. So similarly, the notice is visible here. So as of now, this app is yet to be developed again. So this app is under development, not yet developed completely. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Thank you.